Hello everyone, Lisa from Epic Yarn Gems here with another yarn review. This is the review of the Premier Bloom yarn. This is a self-striping yarn in a floral pattern. I did use it in making a corner-to-corner blanket. I really did enjoy it. Just to start off, these opinions are mine and I am not affiliated with any yarn company or YouTube. Also, as I'm doing my yarn reviews, I am changing them up and doing things differently. So this one, I don't have a picture of the fibers, but here is the originals before they were put into the wash. And you can see they are relatively the same size. And you do get a little bit of what the striping looks like. It is a yarn that is not all one color. It does fade in and out with the different colors of blue, as well as some different colors in the striping. And these are after the wash. You can see that the bottom one is the one that I did put in the washer and dryer based upon the instructions. And the fibers did tighten up a bit, but they did stretch back out. So taking a look at the fibers themselves, they look relatively the same as they did before and after the wash. Using this yarn, it was a thinner yarn. It didn't have a lot of splitting with it, so I would say that the split factor is quite low. But it did wash up very nice, and if you gave it a little stretch, it went back to more of the original shape, so there really wasn't a lot of shrinkage. All right, so the details of this yarn, it is a bigger skein of yarn. It is 656 yards, 600 meters. It weighs 7 ounces and 200 grams. It is a 100% acrylic. It is soft, but it's not overly soft. It did make a nice baby blanket and worked up well in the corner to corner blanket that I did make. It is a 3 lightweight, and it definitely is a thinner yarn. You can feel it for sure. The knitting needle recommendation is 3.75 millimeters or a US 5, and the crochet hooks is a recommended 4.25 millimeter, which is a USG size. The washing instructions is to wash on warm and tumble dry low, so it worked really well for a baby blanket. And this skein retail price was $7.99 at the Premier Yarns website, and that equates to 0.012 cents per yard. And based upon the little scale that I use, this is a mid-range price yarn. It is towards the lower end of the mid price, so it is a very nice yarn for the value. So in summary, I definitely would use this again. There was a little bit of shrinkage, but not too much. The feel was soft, not overly soft, but was a really nice yarn. As a bit of an Easter egg in this video, this is the blanket that I did make with the Bloom yarn. I did enjoy using it. When I did purchase the extra skeins that I needed for the blanket, I did have one full extra. So as a thank you to all my subscribers, if you would like to be entered to win this last skein of yarn, please leave me a comment below. This video or this giveaway will be open until the end of the month, which is May 31st, and I will do a random comment selector after that. The rules are the same as with all my giveaways, must be 18 years or older, comply with all of the YouTube rules and regulations. Yeah, I will open it up worldwide. And also, for whoever the winner is, if you want an extra skein that's almost a full skein that I had left over from this blanket, let me know and I'll include that in the package as well. So I will put the giveaway information down below in the description. So thank you all. Thank you, friends, for joining me today for this yarn review. Also, in the future, if there are other things you would like to see in my yarn reviews, please leave them down in the comments. As always, peace, love, and happiness to you all. Take care and stay safe.